Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the distance unit on the Sygic GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Click on View and Units in the General section. And here tap on Distance Units that you can find in the middle of the screen. That's the sixth option. That's the fifth option. And here you can select from three options: kilometers, miles or yards, and miles and feet. So click on the relevant one that you would like to choose. And as you can see, the check mark icon indicates on the right side which option is selected. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.